Hey everyone, I just want to show you the new plants that I got today. I have 2 new begonias from Steve's Leaves, and this one is Begonia lucerna. It is so stunning. It just took my breath away when I opened this package because it's really elegant. Like, it's not flashy and in your face. The polka dots are very subtle, and then the backs of the leaves are just slightly red. It's really amazing. And overall, this plant is in great shape for being shipped. It was all wrapped up in paper, but that's a big plant. Next to my hand, that's huge. And there's just a couple holes, and that's it. And still, that leaf looks really good. But yeah, so I'm really happy about that. And then the next one, this smaller begonia is, let's see, Begonia Bobby Price. It's also super cute. I love that the stems and the backs of the leaves are kind of pink. More pink than red. So I really like that because I like pink. And it's just so dainty. It's really a nice plant. It has a ton of new leaves in there. So assuming it likes the spot that I will give it, I think it's going to take off in no time. Let me know if you have any care tips for either of these plants, because I'm still relatively new to begonias. I just have a couple Rex begonias that I've gotten from big box stores. And those are doing fine. Oh, I also have a begonia, what's it called? Maculata Whitey. That one seems like it's easy to care for though. This plant is just having a struggle because the pot is so small, it keeps tipping over. But there it is, my new planties. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some close-ups. This one is the Lucerna plant, and that is so crazy how it's reflective from those little dots. I'm not even sure what those are. Check out the back of the leaf. Oops. Whoa, check out. That's so crazy. I don't know what that is, but the texture is really cool because somehow all of those little dots make the leaves shimmery. And then we'll check out the Bobby Price one. I love those little pokey, they're like pink pokey things that come out of the leaves on the top. And then here, check out the new leaf that's coming in. So cool. All right, this is really the end. Thanks for watching.